Hello, my Togo people. My name is Ato and I work with Jetpass Logistics in China. Today I want to introduce our Togo lines to you people, air and sea. We know the challenges Togo people face in shipping, the cost and everything. So we try our best to make it affordable. We work very close with ET Airlines to bring you the best services in shipping. Our airline take about 7 to 9 days max, which is fast, and all you need to do is wait, get a pick-up message from our office, then to go and pick up your goods. Or even if you can't go to our office, all you need to do is make payments online and they will send the goods to your location. We have an app that you can easily go through to help you with all these things. And talking about the sea line in Togo, we work very closely with Costco and MSK to bring the fastest shipping line you can ever get in China. It takes about 50 to 60 days, 2 months max, for you to get your goods there in Togo. And all you need to do is send your goods to our warehouse here in China, and we'll send it to Togo. You get a message from our office in Togo to pick up your goods in 2 months max. And that's it. You can subscribe to our channel to always get updates on this, because we always update this. We send updates on our app. We send updates on this YouTube channel. And thank you very much for working with Jetpass Logistics. We hope to work with you more in the future. Thank you.